Step 1. The Tiny Quran Habit. Every morning, open the Quran, paper or digital, and read just one small verse. Ask yourself, what can I do with this today? For example, verse, Allah is with those who are patient. Action, take one deep breath when you feel angry today. That's it! 2 minutes and you just got smarter with Allah. Step 2. Fix one real problem. Pick one thing that always bothers you. Always broke? Learn to write down what you spend. Can't fix things? Watch How to Unclog a Sink on YouTube. Forget prayers? Set 2 phone alarms for each prayers. Now do it right away. If you learn about money, write down today's spending before bed. Smart equals solving real problems. Step 3. The Daily Allah Check. At night, ask 2 questions. 1. What good thing did I do for Allah today? For example, I prayed Dhuhr on time. And 2. What will I do better tomorrow? No guilt, just one small promise to yourself. Step 4. Find helpers. Ask people for help. Uncle, can you show me how to change a light bulb? Auntie, what's your favorite short dua? Help others too. Step 5. Run from traps. Some things pull us away from Allah. Money traps, loans with extra fees, riba, say no thanks. Time traps, scrolling for too long, instead set a timer. 20 minutes equals stop. Salah traps, too busy, rather pray first, then work. When you mess up, say astaghfirullah, then try again. Allah loves those who try. And remember, small steps is greater than big plans. You don't need to be perfect, just keep trying. Now, here's your homework. Read one Quran verse today, fix one small problem this week, and tell one person what you learned.